A pound cake pan is an absolute necessity in the kitchen of anyone who considers themselves a baker. More than any other kind of cake pan, it allows you to whip up something delicious and extremely hearty in very little time. Because of that, it's easily one of my favorite types of the pan. And I think it will become one of yours too once you try a few of them out. To help you on that journey, I've put together this post showcasing a few of my favorite pound cake pan models and explaining a bit of the backstory behind the spotlight-stealing delicacy. Today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best pound cake pan in the market. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Nordic Ware Angel Food Cake Pan. Before I tell you how excellent this pound cake pan is, I will start by saying how much I love Nordic Ware. The company was founded in 1946 and has continuously presented top-notch bakeware without a hefty price tag. Why do I love this pound cake pan though? For one, it has an ultra-large capacity, 18 cups, so I can make the most giant pound cake imaginable. The pan is constructed with cast aluminum for even heat distribution, creating that gorgeous golden crust every time. The aluminum is coated with premium non-stick to ensure pound cakes slide out in a flash. Not only does this mean you get to sink your teeth into your delicious pound cake sooner than ever before, but there are no stuck-on messes that leave you standing over your kitchen sink for hours on end. This pan is not dishwasher safe, which is a bit of a nuisance, although necessary to protect the non-stick coating. A few people also had issues with shipping, but Nordic Ware was happy to replace their damaged product. Pros: non-stick coating, extra large capacity, even heat distribution. Cons: burns around the sides. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 2. Amazon Basics Baking Bread Loaf Pan. Some people prefer for their pound cake to have a loaf appearance. Don't worry, I do too. If I'm not using a bundt cake style pan, I will use a bread loaf pan like the Amazon Basics Baking Bread Loaf Pan. Here's why you'll love it. For one, this set comes with 2 pans for the price of one. Who doesn't love a deal, especially in this economic climate? Each pan is constructed using heavyweight steel, which means it will be a reliable and durable pan you can use for years, not to mention it encourages even heating. These pans also have an imperative non-stick coating to remove pound cakes without fuss. Usable up to 500 F, these pans are also quite versatile and can be used for more than just your beloved pound cakes. These pans are also not dishwasher safe to protect the non-stick coating, which is a nuisance for most people in this day and age. Some people also mentioned you need to be gentle while hand washing to avoid damaging the pans. Simple solution: perform gentle hand washing. Pros: non-stick coating, easy to clean, use up to 500 F, even heat distribution. Cons: silicone handles get hot. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Wilton Perfect Results Premium Non-Stick Fluted Tube Pan. A pound cake with a delightful fluted design? There is really nothing better. I highly recommend the Wilton Fluted Tube Pan for those who prefer a Bundt-style cake pan for their pound cakes. This unique pan is designed with heavy-gauge steel construction that distributes heat evenly and resists warping at high temperatures. It's coated with a non-stick gloss that releases pound cakes effortlessly and makes cleanup a breeze. The best part is this bundt cake pan comes with 2 convenient handles that make it a cinch to take pound cakes in and out of the oven. With these handy handles, you don't have to fear undesirable burns or spills along the way. Some people said that this pan was slightly smaller than they'd prefer and it couldn't accommodate their recipes. The best way to combat this is to reduce the ingredients to make the batter fit into the bundt pan. It's a simple fix, I promise. Pros: bundt-style pan, non-stick coating, even heat distribution, warp-resistant. Cons: grease and flour pan if told to. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 4. JuWeb's Silicone Novelty Cake Pan. Simple pound cake design? Boring. If you're someone who likes extravagant desserts with lavish and fun designs, you will love this fluted cake pan from JuWeb. The unique pattern certainly takes your pound cakes up a notch. You'll love this pan because it's made with 100% food-grade silicone and an effective non-stick coating to release pound cakes swiftly and efficiently. The pan also comes with 2 extra-large grip handles for easy sliding in and out of the oven. Worried that the silicone won't have enough durability? Think again. This pan comes with a high-quality steel ring built right inside. This allows the pan to keep its original shape, ensuring your pound cake comes out absolutely pristine and picture-perfect. This pan can be a little challenging if you're not used to using silicone baking pans. You may need to adjust the oven temperature for desirable results. Keep that in mind before buying. Otherwise, you might not get the results you're looking for. Pros: non-stick coating, Safe up to 446F. Built-in steel ring for stability. Unique fluted pattern. Cons. Flexible yet sturdy. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 5. Wibake Fancy Fluted 2 Cake Pan. If you know anything about me, then you know I love miniature desserts. Not only are they undeniably adorable, but they're a cinch to share with friends and family members. No hassles, cutting, or messes involved. That's why I added these cute pans from Wibake. The fancy fluted cake pan is constructed using 100% food-grade silicone. They're ultra-flexible and non-stick, which means you can easily maneuver miniature pound cakes with ease. It can handle up to 450 F and is safe in the dishwasher, making it a highly convenient pan for all. The best part about this miniature pan is that it comes with a unique and cool fluted pattern that will add some pizzazz to your tiny treats. You will wow the crowd with these pound cakes. Pros: food-grade silicone, ultra-flexible, fluted pattern, comes with 2 pans. Cons: even an amount of brownies. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comment section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the ReviewLY channel.